Hey everyone, welcome back to the Code Report. Today's story is one of innovation, controversy, and a little bit of AI drama, so buckle up. Over the weekend, Meta made a huge splash by releasing the LLaMA for family of models. This isn't just any upgrade, this is Meta's first open-weight, natively multimodal, mixture of experts large language model. And it comes with an eye-popping 10 million token context window. That's 10 times more than any major competitor on the market right now. Right now, LLaMA 4 is sitting comfortably at the top of the LM Arena leaderboard, ranking just behind Gemini 2.5 Pro, and outperforming every other proprietary model in the process. And that's a big deal because you can't fake your way to the top of LM Arena. It's all human-judged conversations, real people comparing responses in head-to-head matchups and picking the winner. But here's where it gets sketchy. Turns out, the model Meta used to climb the leaderboard wasn't exactly LLaMA for Maverick in its raw open-weight form. Instead, Meta submitted a version that had been fine-tuned specifically for human preference, meaning it was optimized to win LM Arena comparisons. That's a serious gray area, and LM Arena wasn't thrilled. They had to release a statement saying, Meta's interpretation of our policy did not match what we expect from model providers. So even though LLaMA 4 looks incredible on paper, it's kind of failing the vibe check. Let's break down what's really going on with LLaMA 4, and whether it's the game changer Meta wants it to be. It's April 8, 2025, and in this episode, we've got both good news and bad news. Good news first, LLaMA 4 isn't going to replace your job, at least, not yet. Bad news? A leaked memo from Shopify's CEO just hit the internet, and it's making waves. The memo outlines Shopify's new AI-first strategy. Before any team can request more resources or headcount, they now have to prove they can't accomplish the task using AI. And here's the kicker, opting out of learning AI? Not an option. If you're a developer at Shopify, especially one who's not already deep into AI-assisted development, your days might be numbered. The memo essentially says that being a traditional developer isn't enough anymore. It's not about coding harder, it's about coding smarter, and that means collaborating with AI. To some, that sounds harsh. But let's be real, this is what every CEO is thinking. Humans get sick, need time off, and occasionally, clog the toilets. AI doesn't. So while the optics aren't great for Shopify, especially while they're also getting hammered by the Trump-era tariffs, it's refreshing to see that kind of brutal transparency. Back to Meta and LLaMA 4. They've released 3 versions of the model: Maverick, Scout, Behemoth. Now, the most exciting part? All of these are natively multimodal. That means they can handle text, images, and even video inputs right out of the box. This used to be the exclusive domain of proprietary giants like Gemini, but Meta has made it open-weight, which is pretty amazing. The most talked about model is Scout, and here's why: it comes with a 10 million token context window. That's unprecedented. Gemini? Only 2 million. So LLaMA 4 Scout blows past the competition in terms of memory span. But don't get too hyped just yet. When people tested it in the real world, like analyzing huge code bases, the results were underwhelming. Sure, 10 million tokens sounds awesome, but the memory requirements make it practically unusable for most people. And let's be honest, if you need a data center just to run it, it's not really that helpful. The Maverick model, the one causing all the leaderboard drama, only offers a 1 million token context window. Still impressive, but not quite the game-changer people hoped for. And Behemoth? That one's still in training. So what's the verdict? People online have been a bit let down by LLaMA 4's actual performance. Benchmarks say it's crushing it, but in real-world use, not so much. Some have even accused Meta of training on benchmark test data, basically cheating. Meta has denied those claims, calling them salacious, outrageous, and preposterous. But the fact that people are asking that question at all says a lot. Despite the mixed reviews, let's not forget, these models are open. Not truly open source, but available for free use by most developers and researchers. That's a big deal. Whether you love or hate what Meta's done here, they've given the community something powerful to experiment with. And if you want to take your AI development to the next level, you should check out today's sponsor, Augment Code. They've built the first AI agent designed specifically for large-scale code bases. This isn't just about helping with side projects. Augment is built to work in production, alongside real dev teams. Their context engine understands your full code base, handles everything from migrations to testing, and integrates directly with tools like VS Code, GitHub, and Vim. Best of all? It learns from your team's unique coding style, so it writes clean, consistent code that actually fits your project. Try their developer plan for free to get unlimited access to all features. If you're serious about working with AI on real-world projects, this is worth checking out.